please, microphones and cameras. All right, so today is Tuesday, November 24th, and we're going to do a quick check-in for math today. Yesterday, you started your Unit 2 math test on Google Slides, and I didn't realize until I went to look at them last night and to sort them out that some of them didn't work for some of you all. We had some technology glitches, and then my original template didn't save the right way, and about half of you were able to get in and get it to work, and the other half didn't. So here's what we're going to do today instead. We're going to do a take 2 on your math test. Yesterday was the second time we had ever used Google Slides on NTI, and that was part of the problem. And then we had some technology issues and some problems with there. That was part of the problem. So what we did, I took the questions that were on the test yesterday, I changed some numbers and I changed some of the question words and stuff, and I put them back into a Google form so it looks like we normally do. So you're just going to do the same thing that you normally do, and I hope this works better for us. So in your activities today in your Google Classroom, it says Tuesday 11/24 math, and when you click on the form, it looks like this. Directions say read the question, choose the answer bubble that shows the correct answer. So I took parts of your test and I broke it down for you to pick multiple choice. And then we're going to see if this helps us do this a little bit. So question number 1 on your activity today comes from yesterday's question number 1, where you had to follow the pattern to find the missing number. So I know that 4 plus 8 is equal to 12. And I follow the pattern to know that 40 plus 80 is equal to 120. You're going to follow the pattern to find the missing number. 400 plus what gives you 1,200 or 1,200? Is it 800, 80, or 8? Don't tell me in the chat box. Don't tell me. You're going to click the answer, click in the white space, and scroll down. Okay, question number 2 is the same thing like question number 2 on the test yesterday. We're going to follow the pattern again to find the missing number. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7. 76 minus 9 is equal to 67. Follow the pattern. 26 minus 9 is equal to what? You're going to decide. Is it 17, 27, or 7? Click on the letter that matches your answer. Click in the white space and scroll down to number 3. We doing okay so far? I can't see you, unfortunately. We sound like we're okay. Number 3 was, no, you're good. Number 3 was the first of 2. These are frames and arrows because you have frames where the numbers go, and the arrows tell you the rule. For number 3, we knew that the rule was plus 10, and then we have 2 blanks. And then your pattern says 32, 42, 52, 62. What are the first 2 numbers? Is it 10 and then 20? Is it 12 and then 22? Or is it 0 and then 10? We know what the rule is. You need to find the missing numbers. Click on the answer choice that has the correct answer. Click in the white space and scroll down. Number 4 has the same directions. We're using a frame with the arrows. My pattern is 1, 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. You need to find the rule. Are we adding 2 each time? Are we multiplying by 2 each time? Or are we adding 4 each time? Figure out the rule. Click on the rule. Click in the white and scroll down. The second 2 pages, numbers 5, 6, 7, and 8, were number stories or word problems where you had to find the equation and the answer. So we have put in the word problem, and you need to find the correct equation. Choose the equation with the answer. Madison ran for 48 minutes on Monday and Tuesday. She ran for 30 minutes on Monday, so how many minutes did she run on Tuesday? Would you add 48 plus 30 to get 78? Would you subtract 48 minus 30 to get 18? Or was it 48 minus 30 to give you 10? How many minutes did she run on Tuesday? Think about what equation makes the most sense when you decide which operation it is. Click on your answer choice and then scroll down. Number 6, one Mississippi alligator clutch has 41 eggs. Another Mississippi alligator clutch has 29 eggs. How many more eggs are in the first clutch? So an alligator nest has 41 eggs. Another one has 29 eggs. The question says, how many more eggs are there? Are we adding 41 plus 29 to get 70? Are we subtracting 41 minus 29 to get 12? Or are we subtracting 41 minus 29 to get 28? Decide what the correct answer is, which equation matches the question. Choose your answer, click in the white space, and scroll down. Number 7, it says, do Camden's equations match the word problem? Camden read the number story below. He drew a picture and wrote 2 number models to keep track of his thinking. So Camden read this word problem, and then he wrote the equations. Mrs. Wilson has 2 packs of crayons, 1, 2, with 6 crayons in each pack. She gives 5 crayons to her students. How many crayons does she still have? So Camden says that the picture shows 2 times 6 to equal 12 crayons, and then 12 crayons minus the 5 that were given to students equals 7 left. Do Camden's equations match the word problem? Yes, Camden's equations match the word problem because it matches the picture. Or no, Camden's equation does not match the word problem because the work is incorrect. 50-50 shot, yes or no. Click in the white and go down. This next question says there are 6 hot dog buns in 1 pack. So how many buns will be in 6 packs? Are we adding here or multiplying? Choose the answer, click in the white, and carry on. You have 3 rows of chairs with 6 chairs in each row. How many chairs do you have in all? Are we adding or are we multiplying? Choose the correct equation and then go down. The last one says, share 12 marbles equally with 3 friends. What operation do you use to solve this? If I am sharing 15 marbles equally with 3 friends, am I adding, subtracting, multiplying, or dividing? Click the operation that you would use, click in the white space, press this blue submit button, and then you're finished. So it looks like yesterday's math test is just a fairer way for you to show what you know. We're still going to go back and look at what we can about yesterday's math test, but some of us had some real struggles that were out of our circle of control. So if you did not finish yesterday's math test, do today's activity and then go back and submit yesterday's math activity. If you did yesterday's math activity, then you're good to go with just doing today's. Wrapping up the end of our Google Meet, then you're going to the classroom to find this activity and get that done, and then you're heading over to Reflex. With your time that's left over, you're working on any incomplete work, working on some math practice, heading to Prodigy, working on Lexia and any reading activities that you may have missed from this morning, and then we'll see you at 1:30. Your afternoon, you have lunch and lifetime break for free time, your special area break. This still has handwriting lab on it, but in the classroom, we have art this week, so the art link is in there too. And then at 1:20, you're going to get ready for the end of your day. Mr. Bill Meets will start again at 10:30 with Taylor, Yaz, Azaria, Melanie, and Cam, and then a quick lunch break, and then Napoleon, Elise, and Ian. I need Yasmin and Taylor to stay on if you're here for about 3 seconds. It won't take you long, and then we start our afternoon. So math today, working on your shortened test to show what you know. If you have questions, send me a message. I think that's all the math stuff I have to share with you. So I'm going to stop recording and then answer your questions. I will see you if you have no questions at 1:30.
Can you cover